क्या तुमने ये पढ़ा है? हैव यू रीड दिस? हैव यू रीड दिस? यह बहुत सस्ता लगता है। दिस सीम्स वेरी चीप। दिस सीम्स वेरी चीप। तुमने यह कैसे सीखा? हाउ डिड यू लर्न दिस? हाउ डिड यू लर्न दिस? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you return? When will you return? मुझे यह बहुत आसान लगता है। I find this very easy. I find this very easy. तुमने यह मेरे लिए किया? Did you do this for me? Did you do this for me? ये कौन सा दिन है? What day is it today? What day is it today? तुमने क्या पकाया है? What have you cooked? What have you cooked? तुमने क्या खरीदा था? What did you buy? What did you buy? मुझे तुमसे एक बात करनी है। I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. यह मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। I like it a lot. I like it a lot. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? क्या तुम थक गए हो? Are you tired? Are you tired? मुझे एक दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए। I need a day off. I need a day off. ये ठीक है, चिंता मत करो। It's fine. Don't worry. It's fine. Don't worry. क्या तुम मुझे थोड़ा समय दे सकते हो? Can you give me some time? Can you give me some time? क्या तुम मुझसे झगड़ना चाहते हो? Do you want to argue with me? Do you want to argue with me? क्या तुम समझ रहे हो? Are you understanding? Are you understanding? मुझे इसे करने में मदद चाहिए। I need help in doing this. I need help in doing this. क्या तुम मुझसे बात कर सकते हो? Can you talk to me? Can you talk to me? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो इस समय? Where are you going right now? Where are you going right now? तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? क्या तुम इसे फिर से कर सकते हो? Can you do this again? Can you do this again? तुम मुझे कैसे जवाब दोगे? How will you respond to me? How will you respond to me? क्या तुम इसे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand this? Can you understand this? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him or her? Did you see him or her? क्या तुम इसे मेरे लिए कर सकते हो? Can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? क्या तुमने अपना बैग रखा? Did you put your bag? Did you put your bag? मुझे इसे तुरंत करना है। I have to do this immediately. I have to do this immediately. क्या तुमने उसे फोन किया? Did you call him? Did you call him? क्या तुम अब घर जा रहे हो? Are you going home now? Are you going home now? क्या तुम घर के पास हो? Are you near the house? Are you near the house? क्या तुमने अपना काम किया? Have you done your work? Have you done your work? क्या तुमने अपना समय सही से बिताया? Did you spend your time well? Did you spend your time well? क्या तुमने अपनी किताब खो दी है? Did you lose your book? Did you lose your book? क्या तुमने इसका सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल किया? Did you use this correctly? Did you use this correctly? क्या तुमने इसे सही से रखा? Did you place it correctly? Did you place it correctly? तुमने किसे बुलाया था? Who did you call? Who did you call? क्या तुमने कुछ खरीदा है? Did you buy something? Did you buy something? क्या तुमने मेरी सलाह मानी? Did you follow my advice? Did you follow my advice? तुमने क्या तय किया? What have you decided? What have you decided? तुम मेरी मदद क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you help me? Why don't you help me? क्या तुमने यह पहले किया है? Have you done this before? Have you done this before? क्या तुम इसे मेरे साथ करना चाहते हो? Do you want to do this with me? Do you want to do this with me? ये काम किसे करना है? Who needs to do this work? Who needs to do this work? क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया? Did you eat? Did you eat? यह बहुत कठिन नहीं है. This is not very difficult. This is not very difficult. क्या तुमने अपनी बात रखी? Did you state your point? Did you state your point? तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? क्या तुम अपनी जगह पर वापस लौटोगे? Will you go back to your place? Will you go back to your place? ये किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? क्या तुमने मुझे मिस किया? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? क्या तुम मुझसे बात कर रहे हो? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? क्या तुमने फोन किया? Did you make the call? Did you make the call? तुम यह नहीं कर सकते. You cannot do this. You cannot do this. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? तुमने अपनी छुट्टियां कैसे बिताई? How did you spend your vacation? How did you spend your vacation? क्या तुम मेरे साथ बाहर चलोगे? Will you go out with me? Will you go out with me? तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? क्या तुमने ये देखा है? Have you seen this? Have you seen this? तुमने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? तुमने किससे बात की? Who did you talk to? Who did you talk to? क्या तुम मेरे साथ रहोगे? Will you stay with me? Will you stay with me? तुमने इसे कैसे किया? How did you do it? How did you do it? तुमने इसे सही से किया? Did you do it correctly? Did you do it correctly?